Hello, this is Nevis here. I'm going to show you something that I've just learned from Alice Keeler, and I tried it out and I love it, and I think it's really going to be a game changer for me because I do a lot of my class lessons on Google Slides. I just installed from the Chrome Web Store this slides timer, and I learned all about it from here from Alice Keeler, and I'm going to leave that link below so you can have a look as well and learn. In the meantime, I put it to the test, and I'm now going to share what I've learned from Alice in a few moments. So I basically prepared a presentation. I'll just go through each one. In the first one, I've tried out the date and the time, and this is the timer. So not in this extension, you can also add the date and the time, and the extension works in the background, so all you need to do really is create a text box and add the less than, and greater than, and write your detail in the middle. So this first slide is going to have a countdown, a counter up actually, because I've put a plus sign up here, the date and the time. The next slide is going to show me the countdown timer, and it's also going to count 15 seconds and then move on to the next slide by itself. And I've done the same here. It's going to take 5 seconds and move on to the next slide, and then it's going to do the same, 10 seconds and move on to the next slide, and then 5 seconds, move on to the next slide, and then that's it. So now I'm going to go to the first slide. I'm going to go into the presenter view, and let's have a look at it working. Now the only one I'll have to do is probably the first one. I'll have to click. The rest will go automatically. Watch this. The countdown has started, or the count up has started, so this is telling me how long the slide is taking for me to talk about. And this is the current time in Italy, and this is the date, the current date. So let's go on. And here I have the countdown timer. Now this is counting down the timer, so if I want to have a timer on a slide, and that's fine. And then this here is going to, if you watch this, what happens to the slide? It changed on its own. And again, just keep an eye on this little timer up here, and as that gets to 0, it'll change automatically to the next slide. It's really, really, really great. I really like this. So I'm obviously doing it fairly quickly to be able to show you quickly, but you could set it to any time you like. And that's the end. Thank you for listening. This is Nevis signing out till next time.